Some days, life feels heavy, like the world is moving forward without you. And the hardest part is knowing that one day you'll have to face the very thing you fear. Everyone knows what fear feels like. Sometimes fear keeps you safe. But what happens when your fear is very strong and someone you love needs your help? Near a big river lived a young otter named Milo. Today's story is about fear and real courage. Milo was kind and playful. He helped other animals and made the young ones laugh. But there was one thing everyone noticed. Milo never swam in deep water. The river looked calm from above. The water was smooth. Small waves moved slowly. The sound was soft. But under the surface, the water was very strong. Long ago, Milo learned this in a very painful way. One afternoon, when he was younger and alone, he swam too far from the riverbank. Suddenly, the water pulled him down. He couldn't breathe, his body filled with panic. Just before everything went dark, an old heron grabbed him and pulled him up. Milo lived, but the fear stayed. From that day on, Milo stayed close to the shore. He avoided deep water. Every time fear spoke, he listened. Milo's best friend was a small duck named Luma. Luma was gentle and curious. She loved the river, and she trusted Milo more than anyone. "Come swim with me," she often said. Milo smiled, but stayed behind. One evening, the sky became dark very fast. The air felt heavy. A storm came suddenly. Rain fell hard. The river became loud and wild. Luma stood near the water when her foot slipped. The current pulled her in at once. She cried out, once. Milo turned and saw her. His heart stopped. Luma was spinning in the water. She was scared. She was losing strength. The river Milo feared the most now held the friend he loved the most. Milo ran to the edge. Then he froze. His chest felt tight. His legs would not move. The old memory came back, cold and sharp. Not again, he thought. I can't go back there. Other animals came running. Some shouted, some cried, but no one moved. The water was too strong. Luma was moving farther away. "Milo," she called softly. Every feeling inside him told him to turn back. "Stay safe. Don't risk it." Then a quiet thought came. "If you don't move, she's gone." Milo stood shaking. He understood something important. Avoiding fear had kept him safe, but it also stopped him from becoming the otter he needed to be. He closed his eyes. He took one deep breath, and this time, he chose to move, even while afraid. Maybe you also feel afraid sometimes. Maybe you want to help, but your fear feels too strong. This story is for you. Milo stepped into the river. The water hit him hard. The current pushed his body sideways. Cold hit his chest. Fear tried to take control, but Milo did not turn back. He moved forward, not fast, not strong, just forward. Each swim stroke felt heavy. Each breath felt short. Slowly, he reached Luma. She held onto him tightly. Together, they fought the water. Rain hit their faces. The river roared. Milo focused on only one thing: the next movement. Little by little, his feet touched solid ground. They fell onto the shore, wet, shaking, alive. The storm slowly stopped. The river became quiet again. The animals came close and looked at them with surprise. Milo lay there, breathing hard. The river was the same, but Milo was not. He did not feel fearless. He felt stronger. After that night, Milo still respected the river. He still felt afraid, but fear no longer controlled him. Because courage did not mean fear disappeared. It meant moving forward anyway, when it mattered most. Maybe there is something you are afraid of now. Maybe someone needs your help. Remember Milo. You can feel afraid and still move. Thank you for listening. See you in the next story.